If you're running a business or freelancing, you already know how important invoices are. However, creating them manually requires so much time and they often don't turn out to be professional. That's where Adobe Express can help you. Hi, I am Ayushi. I'm a content creator and a founder, and today I will show you how to create a clean professional invoice in minutes using Adobe Express. So let's get into it. Head to Adobe Express on your desktop. In the search bar, type Invoice. You will see a range of professional templates designed for freelancers, agencies, and small businesses. Pick a layout that fits with your style, from clean and minimal to bold and creative, all ready to customize. I will go with this simple minimal invoice design. It's professional and easy to edit. Let's customize it step by step. Step 1, start by adding your logo or business name. You can upload your logo from the left panel. Just click the upload button, import your file from the gallery and adjust the size to fit neatly at the top. Step 2, update your company address. This includes your business name, email and contact number. Step 3, it's time to fill the client details. Add their name, email, address so everything looks super official. Step 4, enter the invoice number and date to keep your records organized. Step 5, now under the line item section, list your services and products along with their prices. If you need to add more items, here's a quick trick. Select the entire section, move it slightly down to create the space, then copy and paste the existing rows. It keeps the layout neat and aligned. Step 6, once done, add up the totals and type in the final amount due. Finally, include your contact details and payment terms. This helps your client know exactly how to pay and when to pay. Now, do you want to make it on brand? Update the font and color to match with your brand identity. You can even add your brand's hex code for a cohesive look across all your invoices. Pro tip, once you are happy with your design, save it as a reusable template. That way, you can simply update your client details each time without starting from the scratch. And once you are done, click download, select PDF. You are ready to send it via emails or WhatsApp. Let's take a look at the final invoice. That's it. You have created a professional invoice in minutes with no stress, no spreadsheet, and no external support. So try Adobe Express now. The website link is in the caption. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel right away.